Lesson 34. Questions and Answers. Does he wash his clothes every day? Yes, he washes his clothes every day. Does he wash his clothes every day? No, he does not wash his clothes every day. Page 190. Does he teach his students every day? Yes, he teaches his students every day. Does he teach his students every day? No, he does not teach his students every day. Does he advise his friend every day? Yes, he advises his friend every day. Does he advise his friend every day? No, he does not advise his friend every day. Does he bless them every day? Yes, he blesses them every day. Does he bless them every day? No, he does not bless them every day. Does he lose his money every day? Yes, he loses his money every day. Does he lose his money every day? No, he does not lose his money every day. Does he cross the river every day? Yes, he crosses the river every day. Does he cross the river every day? No, he does not cross the river every day. Does he raise his hand every day? Yes, he raises his hand every day. Does he raise his hand every day? No, he does not raise his hand every day. Does he choose his clothes every day? Yes, he chooses his clothes every day. Does he choose his clothes every day? No, he does not choose his clothes every day. Does he advertise his goods every day? Yes, he advertises his goods every day. Does he advertise his goods every day? No, he does not advertise his goods every day. Does he progress in his health every day? Yes, he progresses in his health every day. Does he progress in his health every day? No, he does not progress in his health every day. Does he miss the train every day? Yes, he misses the train every day. Does he miss the train every day? No, he does not miss the train every day. Page 191. Does he preach in the temple every day? Yes, he preaches in the temple every day. Does he preach in the temple every day? No, he does not preach in the temple every day. Does he punish his naughty students every day? Yes, he punishes his naughty students every day. Does he punish his naughty students every day? No, he does not punish his naughty students every day. Does he fish every day? Yes, he fish every day. Does he fish every day? No, he does not fish every day. Does he reach home late every day? Yes, he reaches home late every day. Does he reach home late every day? No, he does not reach home late every day. Does she dress her child every day? Yes, she dresses her child every day. Does she dress her child every day? No, she does not dress her child every day. Does she nurse a baby every day? Yes, she nurses a baby every day. Does she nurse a baby every day? No, she does not nurse a baby every day. Does she catch the train every day? Yes, she catches the train every day. Does she catch the train every day? No, she does not catch the train every day. Does she rush home every day? Yes, she rushes home every day. Does she rush home every day? No, she does not rush home every day. Does she slice bread every day? Yes, she slices bread every day. Does she slice bread every day? No, she does not slice bread every day. Page 192. Does she use her pen every day? Yes, she uses her pen every day. Does she use her pen every day? No, she does not use her pen every day. Does she brush her shoes every day? Yes, she brushes her shoes every day. Does she brush her shoes every day? No, she does not brush her shoes every day. Does she close the door every day? Yes, she closes the door every day. Does she close the door every day? No, she does not close the door every day. Does she pass his house every day? Yes, she passes his house every day. Does she pass his house every day? No, she does not pass his house every day. Does she please her husband every day? Yes, she pleases her husband every day. Does she please her husband every day? No, she does not please her husband every day. Does she purchase her food every day? Yes, she purchases her food every day. Does she purchase her food every day? No, she does not purchase her food every day. Does she reduce her expenditure every day? Yes, she reduces her expenditure every day. Does she reduce her expenditure every day? No, she does not reduce her expenditure every day. Does she praise her boss every day? Yes, she praises her boss every day. Does she praise her boss every day? No, she does not praise her boss every day. Does she wish her friends well every day? Yes, she wishes her friends well every day. Does she wish her friends well every day? No, she does not wish her friends well every day. Does she change her clothes every day? Yes, she changes her clothes every day. Does she change her clothes every day? No, she does not change her clothes every day. Page 193. Does she exchange money every day? Yes, she exchanges money every day. Does she exchange money every day? No, she does not exchange money every day. Does she encourage her husband every day? Yes, she encourages her husband every day. Does she encourage her husband every day? No, she does not encourage her husband every day. Does the sun rise in the morning? Yes, the sun rises in the morning. Does the sun rise in the morning? No, the sun does not rise in the morning. Does the water freeze in winter? Yes, the water freezes in winter. Does the water freeze in winter? No, the water does not freeze in winter. Does she do her work every day? Yes, she does her work every day. Does she do her work every day? No, she does not do her work every day. Does she do her housework every day? Yes, she does her housework every day. Does she do her housework every day? No, she does not do her housework every day. Does she do her homework every day? Yes, she does her homework every day. Does she do her homework every day? No, she does not do her homework every day. Does she have her breakfast every day? Yes, she has her breakfast every day. Does she have her breakfast every day? No, she does not have her breakfast every day. Does she have bad colds? Yes, she has bad colds. Does she have bad colds? No, she does not have bad colds. Page 194. Does she have a bath every day? Yes, she has a bath every day. Does she have a bath every day? No, she does not have a bath every day.